we gonna get Mommy's car all clean? Do you hear those? Those are like squids. It's okay. They won't get you. You're safe inside the car, okay? They won't get you. Those are big scrub brushes. Are they cleaning Mommy's car?
Is this like a ride at the fair?
Look at, here comes another octopus. Oh, now look at the water.
Look at all the water.
All clean.
It'd be really mean if I opened your window real quick.
Cody.
Just kidding.
We wouldn't do that. Now their fans are on. They're going to dry off Mommy's car. Hear the fans? They're going to dry off all the water. Watch, see, the water is going to come off. See the, oh, look at, there it goes. See the fans are blowing the water off?
All done.
All done. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job.
All
Here,
done.
You guys can go get your car washed tomorrow.
Can you say all done? Good job. All right, you ready to do this? All right.